This is Flexcon's vertical lift divider system. Let's get it installed correctly. Open your pallet of dividers from the top and keep the stretch wrap intact. For any dividers longer than 60 inches, always use 2 people to handle them and prevent warping. If you requested rubber tray liners, lay one down first before adding any dividers. For any custom configurations, check your specific packing list for extra instructions. Take 2 long and 2 short dividers out of the stack, placing them on the tray and tilting them vertically to ensure all slots are facing up. Interlock the corners, and using 4 of the black outside corner clips, lock in the structure. Install all necessary long dividers, front to back, with the slots facing up, spacing them out divided according to your requested configuration. Cross-lock them with the short dividers according to your spacing requirements. Install the 4 silver inside clips, placing these on the front and rear perimeters roughly 1/3 of the way in from the ends. Finally, snap on your optional label holders. Label holders are recommended and ordered as a separate line item. Your tray is now subdivided, rigid, and ready for induction.